in visuals of Arvind Kejriwal. I believe these visuals coming in of him being escorted out of the Rouse Avenue Court. Very soon his cavalcade is going to reach the Tihar jail. These are visuals coming in from the Rouse Avenue Court of Arvind Kejriwal being escorted out of the court after being given 15 days judicial custody. From here on, he's going to be taken to Tihar. You know, what's interesting, Pooja, in all of this is those visuals coming in of Arvind Kejriwal taken out of the Rouse Avenue Court. That's the news that we are breaking. He will be taken now to Tihar. There's going to be a protocol procedure once he enters Tihar, and we're going to get Shreya Chatterjee on this. But, to give our viewers perspective on when we talk about why is it that Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party would be willing to even allow president's rule and, where their government falls and they can go to the people with 62 MLAs government they'll allege that, because of what they have been trying to create the narrative that the government has, made 62 MLA government fall. Away from that, he's known to do it, whether somebody likes it or whether somebody doesn't like it, whether it works or it doesn't work. He's taken very big risks. You've covered the Aam Aadmi Party in its initial years, Pooja, and if you look at it in 2014, after 49 days, Arvind Kejriwal pulled support.
He definitely knows how to approach the people and tell them, I'm your son and I worked for you, look at the changes
and
I've
he's
done.
willing to take those big risks.
Yes.
Now, whether they pay off or they don't pay off politically, that's something else. But, in 2014, he was the chief minister for 49 days in the saddle, just for 49 days, and he pulled support. His government fell in 2014. Then, in 2014, all 7 Lok Sabha seats went to the Bharatiya Janata Party, where he himself, who contested against Prime Minister Modi from Varanasi, lost. Most of his leaders lost their deposit. They were all fielded in the national capital and across the country. Most of them lost their deposit. But in 2015, came back with a historic mandate.
But Preeti, it's a Delhi voter who's voted for Modi at centre and Kejriwal, same voter for Delhi.
True, but the point that I'm trying to make is that he will, and the party, while most other political parties, why the Aam Aadmi Party has been called a disruptor in Indian politics, while most other political parties would now look and mull for a change of chief ministership. It happened in the state of Jharkhand. It's happened where Hemant Soren was replaced by Champai Soren just about a month and a half ago. Why it might not happen in the national capital is because the Aam Aadmi Party, for whatever reasons it thinks that for them, they're willing to go back on the streets with this narrative
rather than try and build,
rather than a change of CM and try and win support for the Aam Aadmi Party, whichever way one looks at it. But all right, let's cut across to Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya Chatterjee, word coming in, Arvind Kejriwal is spotted outside Rouse Avenue Court, getting in where you are at the Tihar jail. What's the protocol, Shreya? Once he gets in, then he is going to be assigned a number, a barrack. What goes on once Arvind Kejriwal enters the Tihar jail?
Well, Preeti, once Arvind Kejriwal goes inside Tihar jail, he will be going inside the given jail that will be designated for him. For the benefit of our viewers, I'll just tell you, I'm outside gate number 3. This is Tihar jail number 1. There are at least 6 such gates inside Tihar. 12,000 prisoners are right now housed inside Tihar. From 6:30 in the morning is what the day begins for a prisoner in Tihar jail. After that, they are given breakfast, they are given lunch by 11 and 12. Subsequently, by 2, they are again got inside their respective prisons. 4 p.m. is also a time that they are given to meet anyone that is either their relatives, or if their lawyers are allowed to meet. At 4 p.m. they get to meet. Again by 8 p.m. they will send back to their respective prisons. But we also do know,
Chatterjee, Munish Pandey, and our full India Today team of reporters on the ground, different locations, to tell you about this big development. He's the Delhi Chief Minister. He's Aam Aadmi Party's national convener. He will be now in the Tihar prison for the next 15 days. Aam Aadmi Party says this is all political witch hunting, political vendetta, while the BJP said finally the corruption of Aam Aadmi Party has been exposed, surfaced, and that it serves them right.